Good AM. Today is December 16, 2023 Saturday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 16, 2023 Saturday. Here are the SL Square 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Saturday, December 16, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of December 16, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.